round two. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we're going to be giving you this last minute Halloween look, because it's literally last minute because it's right around the corner, of this Oompa Loompa inspired look. I say inspired because, you know, we added a little bit of touches to it. You know, it's still true to the character, but there are little tidbits that are a little different. So we're going to say inspired, okay? So if you are interested in learning how I airbrush this full face Oompa Loompa last minute Halloween look, then please keep on watching. Alright, you guys ready for this one? So to start it off, I'm going to take Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage shade Vanilla and just conceal the under eye area, over the lids, and basically apply this to my whole face as a base. Wow. Next, I'm going to go in with Dinair Corrector shade Orange highlighter number 2 and just conceal these brows. As you know from the beginning of the video, I did have some issues with my brows. This is the correct way to do it if you have bushy brows like me, girl. Then I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of what's in my cup and apply it to the face as another base layer. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Dark Olive and just apply layer upon layer to my face like so. We want to get that beautiful rich orange shade. Once that is done, as you can see, I'm looking real messed up tan like. I'm going to go back in with Dinair Corrector shade Orange highlighter number 2 and apply another layer of that over the dark olive. And because I didn't feel it was rich enough, I'm going to go back in with Dinair Glamour shade Dark Olive and just intensify that burnt orange hue like so. Yeah, I think that's where it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and take Dinair Shimmer shade Harvest Pumpkin and just add some dimension to the skin. We want it to look nice and creamy and not flat. This is a great way to go ahead and achieve that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the high points of my face, of course. Pretty much anywhere that I want to brighten, that's where I'm going to apply the shade. Now, because I don't have the classic Oompa Loompa turtleneck, I'm going to paint mine on today using that airbrush, girl. So here I'm taking Dinair FX shade White, and I'm just painting on the stripes like so. Now that I have multiple stripes on the neck portion, I'm just going to go ahead and add that crisscross on the décolleté and chest like so. Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take my shadow shield and create some nice sharp lines at the top of my stripes, right underneath the chin. You don't have to do this, but you know what? I feel like it's necessary because, you know, we like to be a little neat, not too neat, just a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Cocoa and just start adding the brown striping in like so, using the aids of stencils to get those nice sharp lines. And this is what it should look like. Then I'm going to go in with the brows. So here I'm taking Dinair FX shade White, and I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my brows like so, using my Dinair 8C stencil as a nice edge. Now these brows are going to be a little bit thicker than I normally do them, so I'm just using strictly the edge of the inside of the stencil, as well as the curved portion to go ahead and create that beautiful shape. Then, because I felt like it wasn't white enough or wasn't opaque enough, I'm going to go in with Dinair Tattoo Cover in the shade White and just intensify it more. And as you can see, it's definitely brighter. Yeah. And now, after I put my hair up, I'm just going to spray it with some Tresemme hairspray in that extra hold and then lay down a base of Dinair FX shade White. Using the hairspray first gives a nice sticky base for the airbrush makeup to go ahead and stick to. It creates a barrier from the hair to the makeup. Now that I have the white coated on the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and take whatever's left over in my cup and coat the lashes like so. Because we can't forget the lashes. Now that my hair and lashes are done, I'm going to take Dinair Matte shade Wasabi and just apply that all over the hair like so. Pretty much anywhere there's white on my hair, on my head, that's where we're going to put this green. Definitely take your time if you're recreating this look. It does take some time to build it up. I did want a more like hair-like effect, so I did mix Dinair Shimmer shade Emerald Green with a Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black, and I just sprayed that over top like so. Depth and dimension, beautiful hair, girl. Now for the lips. So here I'm taking Dinair Metallic Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fire Opal. I thought this shade was perfect to give my lips a little pop. Not like the original, but you know, it's an inspired recreation, okay? And that is it. You are all done and ready for Halloween. What's up, 2018?
Alright, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? It's pretty good. It's not too bad. I had a little bit of trouble. I'm not gonna lie, I had a little bit of trouble with the brows. You know, my brows are very thick and the brow hairs are very dark, and you know, I had a little bit of trouble with that. But you know, the rest of it came out really, really good. So I definitely recommend go ahead and play with your brows first to make sure that you can go ahead and diffuse them all out without any problems. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. It's not bad for a last minute Halloween idea. And you know, with Halloween being right around the corner, it's like, oh my gosh, like I need something really quick and easy to do. And this was definitely quick and easy, of course. And it's not gonna be a pain in the behind to get off because it's all airbrush makeup and it's really easy to go ahead and get off with just simple soap and water. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If it was, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That helps me out a ton. And as always, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed today, or if you choose to subscribe today, then don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. All right, loves, thank you so much again, and I hope to see you all in my next tutorial. Bye.